Consider the cardinal guideline of comedy, improv, yes, and. Listen to whatever is being stated, and then riff off of it. And if you're the just one doing the legwork, it'll be quite obvious. If they're offering you nothing to work with, then your date simply sucks, and you can liquidate your tab in P. Stress and anxiety is driven by unpredictability, so if you have a flexible exit plan, you'll feel more positive, says Dr. Hendrickson. And if you hesitate of feeling the pressure to avoid truly late, even if the date is good, you can prepare something between events, or throughout the day. It's excellent to have a definite time you need it to be over with, states Dr. If you go on a Saturday afternoon date, there's no commitment then to what happens next. If you've gone on a handful of dates, and they have actually all been stilted and uncomfortable to make it through, it might be good to reevaluate your own behavior on dates. If you're insecure about your social abilities, you could get feedback from friends and discover how you're encountering, says Dr. Introversion is a personality trait and choice. It does not instantly make you shy or awkward. If the concept of talking to anybody brand new freaks you out, even if it's about all the things you hardcore stand the most, you may be more than just shy. With social stress and anxiety, one of the biggest fears individuals have is meeting strangers, says Dr. If you believe you have a great deal of worries that cluster together, it might be great to seek counseling and discover where these fears of satisfying new individuals are originating from. Introverts can feel immense dating app tiredness, especially when they're stuck in a cycle of swiping, but any. Whitborn. If you don't like an online app and you don't desire to go out, it's going to make difficult and put more pressure on you. So how do you satisfy individuals, sans apps? There's scoping out individuals at a celebration or signing up with a club, which likewise implies pressing yourself out of your comfort zone. However, hey, at least you'll better understand if you fit together well with somebody off the bat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.